Hello, my name is John Tomtishen. I'm a junior studying mechanical engineering, and I'm in cohort 11 with the Lilly Leadership Institute. Cohort 11 is in the process of developing an Embrace AI conference that is set for April 12th, 2024. Joining us is Brie Merritt, a junior studying emerging technology in business and design, and is also a member of cohort 11 to talk about how generative AI can augment human creativity. Thank you for being here.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. So, some questions I have for you just to start off is what is divergent thinking?
So, divergent thinking typically means generating a bunch of ideas by considering a variety of different perspectives, methods, or solutions. It's a tool that a lot of designers typically use to help really just spark creativity and develop original, out of the box ideas and produce a wide quantity of ideas at once. So, for example, like for brainstorming, designers can write a bunch of ideas out, like on post-it notes, and hang them up. And all those ideas at once, that would be considered divergent thinking because it's just seeing how many ideas you can produce at once, pretty much.
Really cool. So, using those ways of forming ideas, how can AI be used to refine knowledge workers' ideas and make them better?
So, a cool thing about AI is that it can be used to combine different ideas together. So, an example from the HBR article is about finding a solution to combat food waste and learn about expiration dates. So, AI is used to combine three different ideas together. So, incorporating dynamic expiration dates in the packaging with like sensors, designing an app to allow people to donate food to those in need, and educating users on different types of expiration dates. So AI can take qualities from each of those ideas and kind of just merge them into one to quickly create new ideas and find possibly unique solutions that people would have never even considered. So if knowledge workers have like a variety of ideas on the table, they can try combining them with AI and see what comes out of it.
Yeah, so when knowledge workers have a bunch of different ideas, how could they use AI to, or specifically generative AI, to encourage collaboration among themselves in the innovation and design process? And at what stages is the design process best for implementing AI?
So AI makes collaboration much easier, especially between designers and users, because since AI is so accessible now to so many people, not only can designers use AI, but users can generate ideas in their own designs with AI too. So when it comes to designs, having the more ideas, the better. So a user can prompt AI to generate a design based on specific preferences that they might have. So if there's something specific that they want to include in the design, they can include it in the prompt and give that to the designer. So it really helps with that communication and make sure that they're kind of both on the same page since they both can have access to similar levels of technology. As for stages in the design process, I would probably say that AI can be used during really any stage. I don't think there's a specific stage that AI is best for. I mean, it can be used for at the start, whether someone is needing to look for some inspiration or needing to iterate on a design that they're working on or like refining prototypes. Like AI can really be used throughout the whole process.
That's amazing. So, thank you so much for talking to us about how generative AI can augment human creativity.
All right. Thank you for having me.